Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch you'd like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today I'll be reviewing the IWC Pilot's Chronograph 41 Top Gun Ceratanium reference IW388106. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet, movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the case. Now the case here is going to be a 41 millimeter as the name implies. Now they pretty much only make the Pilot's watch. Now the Pilot watch has this particular look. They make a lot of different collections. IWC does, the Big Pilot, the Pilot's watch, Portofino, etc., etc. I'm not going to go through all of them. The one that you're looking at here is the Pilot's watch, and it has this distinctive shape. What makes it a Pilot's watch is the case. This case, look at this case and memorize it, because that's basically how all the IWC Pilot's watches, they call them Pilot, that's the collection name, Pilot's watches look. They have this characteristic lug with the very thin bezel, almost no bezel even, and then they have the a large dial, and the pushers are all more or less as you see. So it has this same basic look to it. Okay, now with that said, it's 41 millimeters. And if you look at what others do they offer in this same, how does this watch stack up against other ones in this category? Well, they make it, let's start with this. What kind of Pilot watches do they make? They make just time only. They make it with chronograph, as you see, which calculates elapsed time. They also do make it with time only, time and date actually only. And they make a lot of different variations of each of those complications that I just stated. They even make it with a tourbillon. They make it with, I think, some other complications such as an annual perpetual calendar, etc., etc. The one that you're looking at right now is the chronograph. And of the chronographs, they make, as you can imagine, many different variations as well, in steel, in ceramic, in black ceramic, in white ceramic, etc., etc. Okay, but we're going to focus on this one, which is in black ceramic, and they actually call it ceratanium, which I'll get to in a moment, but basically it's ceramic. Okay, so 41 millimeters, black ceramic watch. Let's get at it. Let's start with the case. Case here is going to be 41 millimeters, as I stated. Okay, and if you look at the height of it, put it on its side, is 14.5 millimeters. It's not terribly thick, not terribly thin. And if you look at, like, for example, a Royal Oak, it's also around 14 and a half. The 42 millimeters are actually 15 and a half. So it's not too big, but it's not thin either, right? So, but it's not meant to be. It's meant to be a Pilot's watch, hence the name Pilot, and it's very easily readable. Okay, it's 41 millimeters diameter and 14.5 in the height. And the case is all made out of ceratanium. Okay, they call it ceratanium, but essentially it's ceramic. And what is the benefit of having it in ceramic is that it doesn't scratch or fade. It more or less looks the way it looks pretty much forever. It could chip. You got to hit it pretty hard for it to do that. Now, I will just tell you something from experience, that when they say it doesn't scratch, it's not actually completely true. Ceramic, you can scratch it. I've seen watches that come in with white that have scratches on them. It's not that common, but I have seen it before. So it's not like you can't scratch. You can still scratch. It's just not that much. So those little hairlines that you get on gold and steel that you get all the time, you're not going to get them on ceramic. But if you scratch it hard enough, you definitely can get it. Okay, but with that said, most likely it's not going to get to that level. So yeah. All right, now let's move on here to the dial. Now the dial, they do this, it's pretty cool. They do this dial in just a simple black, and they also make the background of it not exactly with a white luminescent. They kind of make it's like a black shadow almost. It's still luminescent. You can still see it at night, and it's very legible at night. But if they did a very bright white, it would kind of detract from this. The contrast would be just too much, and IWC wanted to do an all black design. They can't black it out completely, otherwise you can't see the numerals, but they darkened it as much as they could and still made it have this sort of sleek, like dark, dangerous, angry look, positioning of this watch. It just looks very aggressive, I could say. Okay, one of the cool things they do about the dial as well, which I wish other brands would do, is they put the day, Monday through Sunday, right next to the date, 1 through 31, and I like that. Why I like that is because, well, oftentimes you forget, or sometimes they separate the two. But here, I think IWC is the only one that puts them right next to each other, because those are the two numbers that you often forget. In fact, I can't even remember what day it is today. Is it Monday, Wednesday, Friday? I forgot. And what date? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I forgot. But if I had this watch, or you had this watch, you could tell right away. And you could use the chronograph to calculate the elapsed time, for example, how long it takes to finish watching this video, or buy a watch at jazztime.com, which all you have to do is click on the link in the description below to buy at jazztime.com. Okay, so that's a pretty cool thing about the dial. Now let's move on to the movement. Now the movement is really quite exceptional here. And why do I say exceptional? I don't use that term lightly. Well, the previous generation, okay, of the chronograph pilots did not actually have an open case back that you could see the movement. That's right. And IWC, for this price point, this watch is around $13,000. We're selling it, by the way, for much less than that at jazztime.com, around $11,000. So it's quite a bit of savings. What is that? Almost 20%, and plus no tax if it's outside of California. And the craftsmanship, you can open case back. The movement is big. It has a beautiful cutaway rotor, and they even embellish this one to have the rotor not look white. Well, usually not white, but usually the rotor is in a steel color or some kind of bright colored steel. They actually darkened the movement so that it matches the rest of the watch. Usually companies don't even care about that. And if you look at their other watches, or other pilot watches that have open case back, it doesn't have that. So they specifically did it for this. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so they make the movement dark, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, now what else can I say about the movement here? It's a movement, it's self-winding, it has 46-hour power reserve, it's a caliber 69385, and it's pretty cool. It looks great. It's IWC manufactured movement, by the way. It's not a outsourced one. So they're making the movement, the case, everything themselves, and then calling it IWC. It looks pretty cool. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I like IWC. I think I'm not going to say it's the best brand, okay? It's right up there. The competitors are probably IWC, Panerai, Omega. These are all the same class. Jaeger-LeCoultre, JLC. These are good watches that are at reasonable prices. They're not the best watches in the world. That title belongs to Audemars Piguet, Patek Philippe, Richard Mille, Rolex. But they are definitely good watches. And if you want something that's out of the norm, not a watch that everyone has, but still a very nice watch, and it's not going to break the bank, and actually you can even get it under retail, then you should definitely consider IWC. And in fact, if you like this one in particular, I think it's a great value. And so I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.